In a world where digital possibilities stretch far and wide, entrepreneurs are finding freedom in online ventures. Imagine a business model where your ideas generate revenue while you sleep. This is the allure of digital products. Digital products can be anything from ebooks to online courses, designed to share knowledge globally. Unlike physical goods, these creations require no inventory or shipping, maximizing profit potential. Entrepreneurs dive into selling digital products because they are scalable and have high margins. Passive income streams expand as creators sell products repeatedly without production constraints. Let's explore the various types of digital products that can launch you into financial freedom. Ebooks and PDF guides are among the most popular and profitable digital products available. Self-published authors often find success with their fiction, non-fiction, and self-help ebooks online. Online courses are revolutionizing education by providing learning opportunities to anyone, anywhere. Creators can include engaging video lessons or live coaching sessions in their digital course offerings. On platforms like Teachable or Thinkific, you can easily manage and sell your online courses. Artists also generate income through digital art, including stock images and design templates. Selling ready-made graphics saves time for businesses and influencers eager for digital content. Software development offers lucrative opportunities through the booming SaaS, software as a service, industry. Whether it's productivity tools or AI-powered applications, digital tools are in high demand. Membership sites allow creators to build exclusive content and offer recurring income streams. For aspiring creators, tapping into profitable niches is crucial for product success and sustainability. Exploring Google Trends can reveal trending topics ripe for digital product creation and sales. Engaging with forums like Reddit uncovers pain points that prospective customers are eager to solve. By analyzing competition, you can discover what works, ensuring your product meets public demand. Validating your idea before production can save you time and resources in the long run. Surveying your potential audience or pre-selling your product can confirm true interest. The quality of your content determines your success, so focus on creating high-value products. Use tools like Adobe Creative Suite or Thinkific to enhance your product's design and accessibility. Once your product is ready, selecting the right platform for sales can boost your visibility. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy provide excellent venues for selling digital products directly. By integrating print-on-demand services, you could diversify and complement your digital offerings. Digital products carry minimal production costs, contributing to higher overall profitability. The global reach of digital products means you can connect with customers worldwide effortlessly. Implement strategies like SEO, email marketing, and social media to effectively reach your audience. With a compelling digital product and a solid marketing plan, your online business can flourish.